So mad on his ass, I told him crash. Only G driving, you know that he ain't going shit but fast.
Shit but fast.
Whoa, what's up, YouTube? You see what's in the back, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Phantom. Look, I told y'all I had something special coming for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I said it wasn't for y'all, but it was for the car, but it's for the video, so that means it's for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I got my boy Tahj. He hiding and shit. He scared and shit. But I got my boy Tahj in the back. We finna really get it in, you know what I'm saying? You see the trunk up? Yeah, that's what we finna do. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, y'all see the trunk was up. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna take this 350 wing off this motherfucker. I'm finna put that GT500 motherfucker on there.
Y'all see he put that duct tape on there so he could. He act like he ain't unwrapped it already. He just wants y'all to see the reaction.
Hey, I was gonna tell him I did that. I just wanted to make sure everything was in the box, man. Calm down. You trying to reveal my secrets.
The crazy thing is, I ain't know you did that.
Yeah,
I thought you ain't open it.
I know you did. They dropped it motherfucker. The package kind of damaged. Was kind of damaged, but you know, as long as the wing ain't damaged. Ooh, this that motherfucker. That bitch matched the car too.
Okay.
We finna get it in.
That bitch hard. Now you just gotta put a wicker bill on the back of that bitch like the 500 motherfucker.
Nigga, they say that's for track use only. Yeah, like I was telling y'all, man, y'all see what's going on. We finna unloosen them bolts. My like I said, this 350 wing came on the car when I bought it, so we don't need no 10 millimeter. We got to actually Phillips screwdriver in there. You know what I'm saying? For sure. You know what I'm saying? So look, this is what we finna do. We finna unbutton these. You know what I'm saying? Finna take all these out here, unscrew that Phillips bolt in there. You know what I'm saying? Take this from around here just to get back to the bolts that's back behind there, so we can undo them. Take this 350 wing off, and then, you know what I'm saying, the 500 going on after, you know what I'm saying? But I can't hold the phone doing all that. Y'all gonna have to get propped up. Alright, so we got the line off, you know what I'm saying? We finna try to not drop these motherfucking screws in this trunk, cause I don't wanna hear all that rattling for the rest of my life.
Don't do that.
Just
mean? Take it off. You gonna make it fall, nigga. You holding it at an angle. As soon as that bitch come loose, that bitch gonna drop clean in there.
But if I don't hold it, it's gonna drop in there anyway.
Oh, it's not. You gonna hold it with the screwdriver and you gonna get it with the screwdriver.
Boy, who the fuck you think I am, nigga? That's not how they go.
It's it's a screw, my nigga. It's do these first, then. Fuck.
That bit. I ain't lying. I ain't gonna come in weird as it but weird as it is. Finna just. Boy, fuck you. I got one of them bitches off, you know what I'm saying? Act like they not, but I know that they hurt.
But only got 4 screws.
I swear. I'm not risking it.
That's how you gonna risk it.
How? By grabbing it with my hand?
You gonna drop that bit.
You think? Why would you say that though?
Telling you, bruh.
Praying on a nigga downfall. You want me to drop this shit? I can't get this one like that, huh?
No. Just gotta do that bit.
How the fuck? I'm scared, son.
Nigga, just screw it.
What the fuck you mean just screw it?
Man, you scared? My whole trunk was little holes like
Man,
this all the way
man,
across.
Man, do it for me then.
Just
nigga.
do the shit.
Do
Your
the shit,
ass scared.
I'm scared. Cause nigga, the way they make it seem, that shit is annoying.
Just keep screwing it, man. It's gonna be on the screw, bro.
How?
Bro,
It's not magnetic. They got a wash on there too.
This bitch is definitely magnetic.
You sure?
Yes.
Let me see the other screws.
It's definitely, nigga. Hold this shit.
Let me see the other screw there. I
ain't put it on there right.
Nigga, give a fuck.
It's definitely magnetic. It's gonna stay on there, bro.
Alright, now why?
If you get it in there right, you gotta feel it. Nigga.
If you get it in there right. Alright. Yeah, we finna see him do it since he won't talk all that shit.
That bitch was on there, cuz.
He dropped that bitch clean in the trunk. Oh, fuck.
Nah, that bitch right here, cuz.
He dropped my shit clean in the trunk, bro.
So what we gotta do is get a vacuum.
I blame your ass. I do got a, what you call them, though? Thing we can stick.
You got that
down.
metal thing?
Yeah, I got one of them.
Oh, that's all you need?
Yeah.
Probably.
I don't know how to fuck it. I don't think it's gonna be that long for me to put it all the way down there. You don't go all the way? Show the fuck don't. Look, bruh. Look at you.
That don't make sense.
It don't make
It gotta be right here, really. Because
Why you say that?
it get flat. Like, you see all these different spots, it get flat. You can feel it. It's flat right here, right?
He redeemed himself. He got this side out.
That it, my nigga. Show that all.
I'm telling you that's it.
Cause what the fuck?
Yeah, it's your fault. Yeah, it's your fault.
No, I'm saying that bitch got a lot of holes in it.
I mean, I guess shit. But shit, now we finna heat this bitch up with some motherfucking, yeah. We do this, man. You ain't gotta worry about that no more. That was the hardest part right there. Oh, yeah. I'm taking that shit out today, too. I ain't even tell y'all that. I'm taking that shit out today. Yeah, I got a hair dryer, nigga. Everybody ain't got a heat gun. Go ahead and just heat that bit up and then start the whole process of taking that off and then putting a new one on.
ARA, turn me up.
We struggling so bad. I'm asking this off because I'm trying to use this credit card to pry it up or whatever. I ain't got no pry tool. But we making slow progress, you know what I'm saying? It's coming up a little bit, but it's just hard. Whatever they put up under here, we gonna see when we take it up off here, but that shit is strong as hell. And it's been hot as hell in Louisiana, and this been on since I got the car. And it was probably on for God knows how long before I got the car. So, you know, it's basically much cemented on that motherfucker. But we gonna get this motherfucker off today. Man, we defeated. We finna go get a pry tool. We have secured. This nigga Tahj finna kill us in this bitch. We have secured the tool. You know what I'm saying? We finna see what's on with this motherfucker. This shit better work, boy. I spent. Look at this. This shit better work. I spent $20 on this shit. Alright, so we back. It didn't take us that long. It probably was like maybe 10 minutes. But we finna see if this gonna change the outcome, man. Cause we struggling. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, we getting closer. You know what I'm saying? We really just got back and just did this. So I feel like it ain't gonna take us that long now. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? We got that motherfucker off of there, you know what I'm saying? But now we gotta deal with the adhesive. Hey boy, focus it to
Double power, fuck it tomorrow.
I just sprayed the glue gun on there, trying to get that motherfucker, huh?
She was looking weird already.
Yeah. sprayed that on there. We finna get this shit up off here so we can hurry up and put this wing on, cause it's dark outside. Y'all ain't even gonna be able to see how good the car looked tonight. So I'm gonna have to show y'all another day. All right, so we done finally got it cleaned up for the most part. You know what I'm saying? I started taking the number off of the side. You know what I'm saying? I will be leaving this number on. You know, I'm gonna leave this one on, but the other one coming off too on the doors. But that motherfucker look clean though, you know what I'm saying? Still, of course, it still left the, you know what I'm saying, the 5. That's how long that shit was on there. Finna get this part extra cleaned up, then we're gonna put the other wing on. Bro, the car look weird as shit from this side, cause I ain't got no 5 on there no more, and it ain't got no spoiler. But I'm finna hit this and clean this up right quick. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? Got that motherfucker on here. I'm gonna have to wash this bitch down. I'm mad I ain't gonna be able to clean my shit today, but that shit look hard though. Taking that number off on this side, you know what I'm saying? Getting that off of there. It's still, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna give y'all a better view when it's daytime or whatever. But that motherfucker look good though, no cap. I cannot lie. Whoa, what's up, YouTube? It's been about 2 days since I put the, you know, GT500 spoiler on there, and it's dirty as hell. So, I'm finna clean that motherfucker up and show y'all what it look like. Cause it's also daytime, so y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, type shit. We finna see what's going on with that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? You see I got the pressure washer in the back, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get it in. For perspective, I gotta show y'all how filthy this fucking car is. Well, all right, let me go back here, cause this is where the real dirt at and shit, you know what I'm saying? But you see how terrible it is, though, you know what I'm saying? You see how bad it is, but watch that at the end.
Keep on going on, I cannot stop. And I'm climbing all the way to the top. She gon' pop it like she a pop rock. And I'm fly as hell, don't need a voucher. Close your mouth, cause that shit, it could cost ya. Try her, but you cannot get rid of me. At the clean, then I'm my vicinity. And I'm visionary like an artist be. Chopper spitting out 5-color tangerine. And I be stupid fresh like I'm Mr. Clean. Pussy ball, now I eat it like ice cream. For my love, what you do, cause it's not free. And I keep me a still at lacrosse team. You can run up on me, put them 6 feet. True be told, niggas cannot fuck with me. True be told, niggas cannot fuck with me. If it's cold, nigga, then I'm bringing heat. Dreadhead, nigga, like a Rasta B. Ain't no chasing these bitches, hoes chase me. Only thing that I'm chasing is fucking green. And I dive in that water, don't need a team. Nigga do shit for clout, it's so crazy. Bitch, I'm thumbing through hundreds all in my dream. I was broken down bad, but got on my feet. Niggas lazy, complain like a fucking feet.
Man, y'all will not guess what happened to me, bro. Well, yeah, I ain't gotta guess, cause y'all gonna see it in the video. I'm not editing that shit out. Phone on the motherfucking, what that shit called? I done lost all. I'm so pissed off, but my phone fell off the motherfucking tripod and fucking broke. So, but the car is clean now, you know what I'm saying? She over there or whatever. This is gonna be the end of the video. I was gonna add on to it. I probably was gonna do like a little, you know what I'm saying, a little drive or whatever, but I am not in the mood anymore, as you can see. Yeah, if you watching, if you made it this far, thank you for watching the video, you know what I'm saying? Like, comment, share, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? For me, this one for me, you know what I'm saying? Because I just cracked my motherfucking phone. My shit crack. Yeah, so show some support. Appreciate you if you're watching this right now, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Phantom, and I'm out this bitch.